Hello, hello, how are you? I am back again, and today, ta-da, I am opening my latest in beauty box. All I've done so far is rip it open and open the lid. Yeah, I don't even know what's inside. I of course ordered it all. I of course picked all the items myself, but I'm such an airhead, I can't remember what I picked. So we are gonna unbox it together, and I hope you like it as much as I do. So yeah, I love Latest in Beauty. You get 6 items per month. It's a really great price. Loads of the products that you get are full size, and they are a great mix between being new brands, more ethical brands, full-size products, miniatures. There's lots of luxury in there. It really is just such a cross-section of like beauty, makeup, and just well-being loveliness. I'm a fan. You probably know that already. If you've watched my videos before, you're probably like, yeah, this girl, she loves Latest in Beauty. And it's true, I do. I think they're such a great brand. I have been just constantly impressed by what they deliver for absolutely years, and I'm just such a fan. Anyway, here is my latest box. Let's have a look at what's inside. So what did I go for this month? Oh wow, yes, oh my god, yes. I was shocked when I saw this was in here. It's Stravetkin. I don't even know how to pronounce the name, but they are quite an expensive, high-end, luxurious skincare brand. And this is a multi-action Super C retinol to brighten and correct skin. It's got vitamin C in, obviously. It's 30ml, so it is full size. And just to prove a point, I'm gonna go online and see how much this bad boy is, because like their stuff is not cheap. I'm just putting it out there. It ain't cheap, so I wanna see how much this is worth, just to prove my point that Latest in Beauty are the best. Okay. Oh my god. Is this correct? This is £62. That's crazy. This is £62, and these boxes are like, oh god, I can't even remember what they are now. They're like 15, 16 pounds-ish. That's insane. Oh my god, this is £62. It's a full-size product. That's major. Yeah, point proven is all I'm gonna say. Point proven. Latest in Beauty, incredible. So that is my first item. I'm not using retinols at the moment, so I might give that to my mum, because retinols and her are like BFFs. After I got pregnant, I had to be really, really careful with my skin because it was just so sensitive. So I'm still a little bit cautious of using retinols, but when I saw it in there, I was like, I'm still gonna get it, just in case. I'm either gonna wait a while and then use it, or I'm just gonna give it to my mum. But to be honest, I think I'm gonna give it to my mum because she's gonna love it so much, and that's gonna bring me joy. So yeah, it's not such a selfless act. I'm just putting it out there. Okay, the next item that we've got is by Vita Biotics. This is the CBD stuff. Oil? Liquid? I don't know what it's called. But yeah, I got this. This is normally, I think, around £33, £35. Again, full-size product. It's just to chill me out, you know? I need a bit of that. I need a little bit of that chill out. I also got some of this last month. In fact, I got 2. I got this one and the one with added vitamin D. I gave one to my mum. It's really helped her sleep. And yeah, it's 30ml, full size, and it's worth about £33 to £35, which again, major. Okay, what have I got next? Yes, Kevin Murphy bedroom hair. Love Kevin Murphy. I need good hair. You know, it was just meant to be. This is, I think it's full size, but it might be like a travel size. It's 100ml of their hairspray. Kevin Murphy hair care is like da bomb. I keep saying that. I keep saying da bomb. I think I must be like craving watching Clueless. Maybe. I don't know why I'm saying da bomb otherwise. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not the 90s. I'm not 15. I just must be needing to watch Clueless. Anyway, next item is by Sukin Skincare. This is the moisturizer. Needed a new face cream. I was using one. Mary put it somewhere and I don't know where. So I'm very excited about this. This is 50ml, which basically is a full-size product. 50ml Sukin Skin... Too much alliteration. 50ml Sukin Skincare, and I really like their products. Very natural, very wholesome, very lovely. I think they're Australian. And then what have we got next? Oh, Nip and Fab. This is a glycolic fix scrub. This is 75ml. I haven't scrubbed in a while, so I'm looking forward to giving this a go. Might use it very gently at first, maybe just for a few seconds, just to like give my skin a bit of a lift and see how I get on. But I love Nip and Fab products. They are the best, they're so good. And yeah, I was like, what a good opportunity to get a little bit of that action. Oh no, I got one more thing. Oh yes, okay. This is a Revlon Colour Stay Matte Crayon. And I was like, I'm interested in this because it looks like a really good colour. And quite frankly, I needed a new lip colour. So I was like, let's get in there. I hope it's as good as I think it's going to be, because I am very specific on what shades of red I'm going to use. And yeah, I think it's a good colour. Oh, look at that. That's my kind of red, baby. There it is. Woo. Yeah, I might do a dedicated video just to this lipstick. I love a lipstick try on and I love this colour. So yeah, I might do a full-on video just about this one product. So yeah, that is my box this month. I'm kind of blown away. It's like over £100 worth of products. That's major. I mean, we've got Kevin Murphy, luxury salon brand. We've got Nip and Fab, always an absolute joy and a really lovely high-end brand. We've got this brand that I still can't pronounce the name of, Strivectin. And then we've got Vitobiotics, my CBD baby. And then we've got the Sukin. So I'm all in. I'm sorted. You know when you're like, I'm going to be a summer babe in no time at all. Anyway, that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again soon. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.